Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. I am Itza Arroyo. If you are a doll that loves fashion and beauty content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your post notifications because I post every Wednesday, and make sure to please hit that like button on today's video. In today's video, I'm gonna be going from short hair to this long, beautiful hair. And if you wanna see how I got this beautiful long hair, you know what to do. Keep on watching. I want to thank Dora's Hair for sponsoring today's video. They have gone and sent me some hair extensions that I'm very excited to share with you dolls. Dora's Hair can be found on Amazon, so I'm going to go ahead and link them down below. And what makes Dora's hair extensions different from other extensions, they do have a slow dyeing process to the hair. Because of that process, it's going to give you a more high quality hair extension. So how you would choose your hair color is they recommend for you to choose your color according to what your hair color is from here all the way down. I have black hair, so I knew that was going to be very easy for me. They do recommend that you do not choose a hair color that is close to your root because that tends to be a different shade. How long does the hair last? Well, that really depends on how often you wear them, how you take care of them, but normally extensions should last about 6 to 12 months. Are you able to dye these extensions? They don't recommend it, but if you do, they say do not use bleach or go lighter. Because of that dyeing process that they do have, they already are giving you the perfect color. Let's get into the video where I am going to show you how I put on these extensions. The next part is going to be a voiceover. So let's roll the clips. So here I am with my short hair, and I've been struggling with thin hair for a long time. I've given birth to 4 children, and so that made my hair even more thin. And I used to dye my hair a lot when I was young, and so I really hate the gaps that you can see. And so for me, it's all about fullness when it comes to my hair. And I've been experiencing some hair loss, and so I have bald spots, and lately it has made me a little bit insecure. But I'm glad that there's things out there that can help us women feel confident or gain some confidence, because us women, we go through a lot when it comes to our bodies. Dora's mission is to inspire women to be the best version of themselves. They are rapidly growing internationally, and they are driven to give high quality products. Dolls, I do have a discount code for you. It is ITZOYT10 for 10% off. So here are the extensions that I chose. I got the 14 inches, and they are 150 grams in the color jet black. The packaging was done very well, and they did not come damaged at all during shipping. And what I love is that they sent me a pair of lashes, which I should have wore in the video. It comes with 9 pieces of extensions and this cute alligator clip. Although the set comes with 9 pieces of hair extensions, they do ask you to only open 2 of them, which are set apart in another bag. And with those pieces, you're able to see if you have a good hair match. If not, do not open the rest, so that way you are able to return them and find yourself a better match. Here are the clip-ons. I will say that the hair is very soft and has a beautiful shine. And I love the color black, dolls. It's truly giving a beautiful jet black, and they do match my hair really nice. Please note that I am not a professional when it comes to putting on hair extensions. This is going to be a learning curve for me, but here I am going to start off with my supplies using hairspray, a comb, and the alligator clip to separate my hair. I know this would probably be a lot easier if you can see the back of your head, but we're going to make this work. So just sectioning off my hair, I'm going to go ahead and get my comb and then give myself a little tease so that we're able to clip on the extensions to my hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and just spray some hairspray to keep that tease in. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my first set, and I'm going to use the one with 3 clips on it. And then I'm going to start clipping from the middle and then work myself to the ends. And to be honest, dolls, this wasn't hard at all. They clipped on and they felt great on my hair. I was off to a good start. They did not feel heavy at all. I'm placing 2 fingers, and then above my 2 fingers, I'm going to place the next set, and I'm going to do another set of extensions with 3 clips. I want to share that DOORES is having a big promotion June 19th all the way to the June 25th. You can also use my discount code on top of that promotion, so make sure to check out the links down below. I do want to mention that I had no issues with the clips. The clips do come in a U-shaped form, and this is going to ensure firmness without hurting your scalp. They opened and closed really well, and they held very sturdy and strong onto my hair. Because my goal was to have fuller hair, I am going to be using all the extensions, dolls. I am placing the set with 4 clips in this area. It's almost like in the middle of my head, and I thought it was a perfect placement. And you can start seeing that now I'm seeing fullness, and what I love about this hair is that throughout the process, the hair has not knotted or tangled once. So I'm going to start working on the sides of my head, and here I'm going to be placing the set with 2 clips, and you're going to see right now the before and after. On your right, I have the extensions. On the other side, I don't. You can see the fullness, and it's also giving volume. And here I'm wearing the extensions on both sides, and here is where I'm gaining my confidence. So here I'm just seeing where I need the rest of the extensions. So far I have 5 sets in, and now I'm gonna just repeat the process, tease, hairspray, and then clip on the rest. So here you can see where my hair ends. You can see my short hair and then the extensions. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these single ones on the sides of my hair so it could be a little bit more blended and a little bit more seamless. So now I have all 9 pieces of extensions in my hair, and I will say you can still see where my hair kind of ends and where the extensions are. And so for me, this might not work with me having my hair straight, but I am going to test it out. I'm going to curl the hair, and we're going to see what that looks like and if it's going to give me a better blend. I did apply dry shampoo because my hair is more oily and I was sweating, so I felt like my hair was starting to get oily. But here I am. I'm going to curl my hair, and I'm going to come back and show you the final look. I had no issues curling the hair, dolls. I will say that I would next time curl my hair first and then curl the extensions separate, but this is the final look, and it feels really weird to see myself with longer hair. Comment down below, do I look better with shorter or longer hair? Now this is what the back looks like. I will say that if I moved my hair too much, you were able to see where my hair ends, and so I did have to kind of blend it a little bit more often. But what I love is that the hair never tangled while doing that. Every time I put all my hair to the front, I did have a better blend, and the difference between my hair and the extensions was less noticeable. I'm really loving the extensions. As you can tell, I was feeling myself. I was feeling like a model. It's been a while since I've seen my hair this long. And I love to wear hats, so I wanted to see what it looked like with hats on, and I'm obsessed. I love black hair. It's such an exotic look. I love this. So dolls, I think the quality of this hair is amazing. I love the way that it curled. I did not have any issues curling them. The only thing I will say is, for me personally, to get a more seamless and kind of blend, I'm going to have to cut my extensions. Now these extensions at the base, they are a little thicker, but I believe that is so that you can get a little bit more volume. Do I feel them? My answer is yes, but do they feel heavy? No. Of course, if you are someone that doesn't wear extensions and you put on hair extensions, you're gonna be able to feel the difference. But do I recommend? Yes, dolls. The affordability is there, the quality is there. They have different lengths, they have different colors, and again, you can find these extensions on Amazon, and I'm gonna link everything down below. Putting on extensions can be a little hard. I'm not a professional, and so I found that they were easy to put on. Dolls, we've come to the end of this video, and if you stayed to the end of this video, make sure to comment this emoji. I wanna thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and dolls, God willing, we will talk to you on the next one.